Good morning everyone, I'm Chef DJ and join me today as we prepare the best baon for your family get-together ngayong bakasyon. Introducing our first dish, Asian seafood pasta. And to make this dish even better and healthier, gagamit tayo ng Jolly Heartmate Canola Oil. Alam niyo ba ang Jolly Heartmate Canola Oil, it has the lowest saturated fat kumpara sa ibang cooking oil. Ang saturated fat is yung taba na makakasama sa ating puso, thus leading to heart attack. So let us start cooking our Asian seafood pasta. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna heat up our pan here. Of course, we're gonna add in, lalagay na po natin yung ating Jolly Heartmate Canola Oil. Ito yung pinakamagiging sauce natin mamaya sa ating Asian seafood pasta. Ngayon, lalagay na rin natin dito yung ating atsuete powder. Here. Yan. And then, lagyan na rin natin yung garlic natin. Yan. Halo. Add in your onions. And then, i-season natin ng salt and pepper yung ating seafoods. And then, ilalagay natin siya dito sa ating mixture. Unahin muna natin yung ating mussels. Wow! Haluin natin siya. Lagyan na rin natin yung ating clams. Tapos, ilagay na rin natin yung ating shrimps or prawns. And of course, yung ating Jolly Heartmate Canola Oil, alam nyo, it's rich in omega-3 and 6, thus making it really healthy, kaya siya tinawag na Heartmate. Alam nyo, dapat pag niluto nyo yung seafood, huwag nyo masyadong i-overcook kasi ang tendency ng seafood pag na-overcook, nagiging matigas. So, pwede natin ilagay yung ating remaining vegetables, celery, lagyan na natin dito, and then of course, yung ating carrots. Yan. And the bell peppers. Grabe, yung aroma niya, perfect na perfect for your baon. I have here our cooked Doña Elena al dente pasta. Now all we have to do is simply toss everything. Once it's nice and coated, gagawin natin is season natin to with a little bit of salt and pepper and of course yung sugar natin. So, pepper, salt, a little bit of sugar, and of course, pwede na rin natin ilagay yung ating chopped or sliced na basil leaves. Fresh basil leaves, that is. Tapos, halo lang na halo. Wow! Now, since we're using our Jolly Heartmate Canola Oil, it has the high smoking point, thus making it perfect for frying and sautéing. So, kahit nagpiprito ka, hindi masyadong madaming mantika or oil ang kumidikit sa inyong mga piniprito. Isa pa maganda in using our Jolly Heartmate Canola Oil is that it has no trans fat, no cholesterol, making it 100% pure. Yan, luto na natin yung ating Asian seafood pasta. At dahil dyan, nakatulong yung ating Jolly Heartmate Canola Oil. Trust me, no? Yung price niya, 112 kada 1 liter. So making it better for the heart and better for the budget. So let us start plating our Asian seafood pasta. Kuha tayo ng mga seafood natin. Lagyan natin on the side. After putting all those here, you can actually serve it with some sliced toasted na bread on the side. Now, simply top this one with some grated Parmesan cheese on top. And of course, some chopped parsley. Yan, luto na ang ating Asian seafood pasta. Abangan niyo po muli kami sa panibagong healthy recipe dito lang sa Happy Tummy. Of course, I'm Chef DJ Santos po for Jolly Heartmate Canola Oil.
This portion was brought to you by Jolly Heartmate Canola Oil.